So over here, you can see that I have a table and the table is linked up with another table right here. So you can see on the left side, there's plus buttons. And if I were to click on this, then relevant data will pop up. So if I were to go around over here into create area and click on form, then what happens is that form is created along with the data, as you can see right here, which appears in the format of table, as you can see. So as I move this forward on to, let's say, next table right here, you can see that similar data actually pops up right over here. So I can go around over here, and then if I were to go around over here, you can see that the table appears over here as well. So I can go around, and let's say I'm going to go around and say like Raymond is another data. Let's say, for example, so I'm just going to go around and go to view right here, type in Raymond right here, and I'm going to go around into member ID, type in 105, and over here in the expertise area, I can go in and type in the data as per how I like right here. If I were to go back, you can see that this is the data right here. So in the expertise, I'm going to say Canva right here, just like this, and skill will be, let's say, intermediate, just like this, and another one right here where it's going to be Spark right here, and this is going to be intermediate as well. So similarly, you can add in the data over here, just like this, and if I were to go around into table 2, you can see that the new entries have been made over here in the expert ID as well. It has been linked by itself right here, as you can see, and you can see the data. So on table 1, if I were to go around and close table 1 and open table 1 again, you can see that there's a new data with the linked data over here as well. And that is how you can link out multiple data inside of forms, inside of an Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.